The light's on? Here we go. Now I'm recording.
That's it.
Mommy!
Yeah.
Come over here. This hurt something. Right here. Daddy heard something. Daddy, turn around. Because I just heard something.
What?
Get
Right.
my GoPro rolling.
I just heard something right there.
Okay.
All the way up in the forest.
Oh, I see eyes. Probably another cat.
Alright guys. Mason has my phone. It didn't stop the video. When I switched over to my GoPro.
Hello? Everybody here, let me know. Mommy? Hello?
That's the newer section. I think I want to...
Says hunt him. Says conk him.
I'm going to go this way.
Who's
I want
there?
to do my spirit box though.
Let's walk up there.
Huh?
Let's walk up there. Up the hill. Let's go in deeper, away from the street.
Daddy, turn around. Cause there's her something right there. Mommy.
What?
Daddy, why are you right here? Mommy, we go on here. I don't hit the guy. Oh, hit him. Mommy, come down here. Come down here. We're going this way. Nani! Mommy, it's Nani flying in the sky. Daddy's stepmom. His stepmom's dead. Mommy, come down here. Bill him. He's on a grade. Bill him. He's in a grade too. Huh? Mommy. 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 I love you. Why are you at there?
So what's that when we do the spirit box? Yeah?
Nani. There's Nani.
Yeah.
Bill him.
Let's go up here and do the spirit box.
Well, I had to put my GoPro on night scene so I could see better. Make sure it was on audio. Alright, so I just turned my GoPro on. I did start taking on a different video, but I didn't have my
It
night
hurts
scene
my eyes.
or my
I might
GoPro
die.
on night scene or on audio.
It's in my eyes. Mommy, I might die. You put that in my
I'm
eyes.
not gonna die, honey.
Ah.
Sorry.
I gotta die in 10 seconds. My heart's beeping a lot very fast. That means I'm gonna die. Mommy, come on. Come on. Come on.
Come in, hold on.
Come on. Come on. Daddy's over there. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna walk through here.
Okay, I'm going to Daddy.
It's hard to see because my eyes are messed up from
But my eyes are not messed up because,
the lights.
Mommy,
What?
my eyes are not messed up.
My eyes are from the lights shining in my face.
But my eyes are not messed up because I'm normal, right?
That's Kevin over there.
Kevin?
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, walk with me this way.
Mommy, go that way. Come on.
Are you holding my phone up?
Yeah,
Taking a video?
yeah.
Okay, hold it up. Keep it up. Okay.
Why
Where's
are
Mommy?
why
Keep
are
the
we
phone up.
why are we walking through here?
Mason is using my phone. You going to Daddy?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. What the? Kevin? 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 What? You heard that? Mason, go to Daddy.
Why?
Go to Daddy.
I just heard something over here too.
Yeah, I saw it.
Hey, I just heard a moan over here.
And then I saw something.
What?
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Look at that.
Holy. That's a
Something
hole.
lives down there.
Something was walking behind me. Oh my, I'm like frozen right now. Literally.
But I'm not frozen.
Hey.
What?
There was a moan over there.
Yeah.
KH.
Something walked
Kevin,
through
look.
here.
Oh my god. KH.
Yeah.
It
Kevin
means
had the
help him.